Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdygirlreviews, and we're back with another quick Dollar Tree haul, so stay tuned for all the goodies. Alright, first things first, you already know my paper towels. I'm very loyal to them. 140 sheets, $1.25. Dollar Tree's bath tissue, strong and soft, 2-ply, 4 rolls for $1.25. I like them. I am loyal and faithful. Y'all already know. Yes, thankfully spa soap is back also. For a while they weren't bringing them as much. They were bringing another brand, but I like these because they're pretty big and it'll last you a number of washes, and as antibacterial, you already know. And it's a refill portion size. 32 fluid ounces. I think it's definitely worth $1.25 in comparison to other chains and other brand stores that will run you much more than $1.25. So y'all already know. Now, I've already reviewed this product on my, or at least have shown it in my other hauls. Their candy jar, and it comes with a lid, as you can see. You know, not super tight, but you know, enough. And I think it's perfect. You know, you can put candy, but you can also put another assortment of things that if you want to keep organized, things that don't necessarily need like a real tight lid. But if you want me to be perfectly honest, it has worked in terms of like my coffee. I've done it with coffee and it's great, you know, just kind of like, and it has a nice little spoon inside, also from the Dollar Tree. Not too bad. So again, if you like it, pick it up, but I definitely do recommend them. They're great for organization and also to kind of keep things tidy in your kitchen. I love Dollar Tree's batteries. Yeah, okay, they may run a little quick, but in a pinch, and especially with you don't know what to be expecting, especially with the weather, what if there is, God forbid, power outage, you always need some batteries. So I always try to keep in stock. These are AA by E-Circuit. They're super heavy duty batteries, 6 in a pack, $1.25. Not bad. Also, I love their healthy choice. I am a big fan of chicken noodle, but they also have beef stew and also chicken and rice. I like their chicken noodles. It's low in sodium. And not too bad. 13 grams of protein, so you already know. I picked up 2 cans, $1.25 a piece, and still definitely worthy of that price. I also love Dollar Tree's garbage bags. I love them. This is from their Essentials line. They haven't brought the ones with the drawstrings in the longest, guys. So again, I don't know if this is all nationwide, but definitely New York, there's some kind of shortage. So if you see the ones with the drawstrings, and especially the ones that bring 10 bags, do yourself a service and snag it. So I sure did today. I also recommend their Scrub Buddies. I love their heavy duty textured reusable gloves. They're really great. You know, their purpose, they really are multi-purpose. It has a great material and it protects you, protects your hands, especially when you're doing heavy duty work around the house, housework, if you're cleaning dishes, cleaning your kitchen, bathrooms, floors, and other household chores. This is really worth, I will say, definitely worth the $1.25. And in comparison to other brands, other chains, you're not going to find this good quality texture for $1.25. So I do recommend that. It comes in a number of sizes. I picked up a large. It brings 1 pair, and yeah, I think there's an alternative. You can get them in yellow, but for the most part, I've always seen them in this nice, pretty hot pink. So if you see it, snag it. Now, I will say, though, I am really loyal to Lime Away. It was recommended by the Deal Guy, and he did do, I think, a demo on his channel. It's a toilet bowl cleaner, and it destroys lime, calcium, rust. It really is good. It has a really thick gel, like it says, and it really does do the work. But I really feel like sometimes it's just too small. It's 16 fluid ounces, and I really feel like in like 2 or 3 washes, it's gone. So I saw this much bigger version. This is not Lime Away. This is called The Works Classic Clean Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Cleans and deodorizes the toughest of toilet bowl stains. So I'm going to give this a try. Hopefully it has kind of the same kind of lasting power in terms of cleaning. And as you can see, it is 24 fluid ounces. So I'm going to give this a try. As you can see, even in comparison to size, look at that. So I'm going to give this a try. If this is worthy, I'm going to have to buy more of this, because this just really goes too quickly for $1.25. So I'll keep you guys posted, but that is the latest in terms of cleaning products. Now I will say that I have seen these. These are, I believe, shelf and drawer liner. They're washable and durable, easy to apply and remove. Quick cover by contact adhesive covering. Now I've only seen another design pattern for this, and really pretty, but not, they haven't really brought the marble looking one like they have recently. So again, I don't know, maybe there was a delay in production, or they just want to vary now at my local branch. But I'm gonna give this a try. I'm gonna see if I do dress my drawers with these, or maybe even put it around my bathroom just to kind of change the aesthetic. And I will let you guys know if the adhesive is definitely worth it, but I'm going to give this a try. I think Chic on the Cheap has also mentioned these covers, and I think she's used this very design, but I will keep you guys posted, and I'm excited to use it. So yeah. Speaking of organization, I do love their collapsible storage containers. These are like their smaller version one. Obviously you're not going to put a lot of stuff in here. You can put like flip-flops and maybe socks and maybe toys if you have children. I was going to buy them because I just came across Bargain Bethany's latest hack video where she uses cooling racks to kind of do like some kind of organizational thing in her home, and she uses zip ties, and I'll link it down below so you guys can see. But I will say I couldn't find cooling racks at my branch, but I'm going to still use these containers because I want to organize my summer hats and my winter hats and my fall hats. So I think this is going to come in handy, so I'll keep you guys posted. I bought two. I believe they come in brown, black, and navy blue. Their summer section has a little taller version of it, and I think it comes in a number of beautiful bright colors: magenta, aquamarine. Yeah, just be on the lookout in their summer section. But they also have these smaller ones with you know, the basic neutral colors in their cleaning section. And yes, it's by Essentials. Also, I love the Deal Guy. The Deal Guy has really great videos, and I think he reviewed it maybe 3 weeks ago on his channel, this product. This is Luminance. It's like an electric toothbrush. And you can see it's battery operated, comes with a battery, complimentary battery, and it's soft. I'm going to give these a try. I'm not expecting anything spectacular. It is the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to try it on my teeth, and if it doesn't really give me the whirl, I might repurpose these, because again, y'all, you don't have to necessarily use every object as what it is intended for. You can use it for other purposes as well. That's why the Dollar Tree is so popular. So if it's not great on the teeth, I can definitely use it as a cleaning tool to get into those crevices that I normally couldn't get into. And as you can see, it come in pretty colors. This is a nice baby pink, soft pink, and they come in a nice like soft green, soft blue. So I picked up two, and I will keep you guys posted. Now lastly, I'm going to mention Jot. I've already told y'all about how I feel about Jot. I bought the pegboard. They didn't have the big ones like they have now. They've brought these in now. I don't know if there was a delay, whatever. And they brought an assortment. Now there's black and white, and they're these big ones. I still have the adhesive clips that go in the bag, so I'm going to give this a final try. I bought 4 pegboards, and I also bought this nice square shaped pegboard tray to kind of go in front. I'm going to give this a final shot. Why? Because watch this. I have bought these four small ones and a cup and all of this, and it kept collapsing on me. So I don't know. I get it. You can't put too much heavy stuff. I've told you guys about Jot. It is not necessarily my best favorite recommended brand. in the Dollar Tree. So I had to kind of do this like squared thing to kind of make it purposeful. So I've been hanging my eyelashes. As you can see, I've already worn these, but I've been wearing my Ione eyelashes that are also from the Dollar Tree. A couple of their brushes also from the Dollar Tree. And maybe using it as to kind of put, you know, my accessories and whatnot. But I wasn't too thrilled with this, I will say. So I'm going to give it one more shot. And if this does not pan out, I'm going to let you guys know. Then don't waste your money. Just don't waste your time or your money. I know I sound a little livid, but I couldn't get this to work. And I had put it all nice and flat, like all the other users had recommended, and it would not work. I don't know if it's just like maybe where I live is a little too humid, but the adhesive wasn't working, and I was like, this is just not worth it. But anyway, I'm going to give it a shot. And if it does work, I will come back. I will let you guys know. Yes, okay, for this and that, this works perfect. But for like, I just wanted to put like my makeup palettes and whatnot, and it just was not working. Or at least my brushes. Anyway, I will let you guys know. Hope you like this Dollar Tree haul real quick. And please stay tuned for my impending reviews, my next DIYs, and my hauls. So if you like what you see, give us a like. Leave us a comment down below in the comment section. If you'd like to follow my videos, you can hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted of my next haul, review, or DIY. Now stay tuned, y'all. There's plenty coming. So until next time, y'all. XOXO. Nerdy girl.